Insurance agents and financial advisors, are you looking for a simple and scalable way to generate leads for financial services or insurance? Well, you've come to the right place. If you stick around to the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to use a combination of LinkedIn and cold email to be able to generate your own leads almost entirely free. You ready? Let's do this. Hi, my name's Jeremiah Demray. I'm a #1 best-selling author, founder of Advisorist, and 23-time award-winning financial and insurance marketer. I'm also a dog lover, and I love to travel the world giving back. Now, this idea came to me while I was actually taking a walk. I was doing some volunteer work in South America, and I was walking along a river, and I happened to check my phone at the time, and somebody asked me a question. Hey, Jeremiah, I'm just getting started. What's the best way to generate free leads because I don't have a lot of money? So I just fired up this quick video. It's selfie style. I was walking. I was a little bit, in my head at the time, so forgive if there's a little bit of bouncing around. But I want to share with you that there is something really powerful that you can do today using LinkedIn and cold email. And just to qualify, cold email is kind of the same as cold calling. Cold calling, you pick up the phone, you dial somebody, they don't know who you are. It's cold calling. Cold email is when you're emailing somebody cold and they don't know who you are. Now, I'll tell you that there is a little bit of a warning sign with this. So danger, Will Robinson, right, is if you're doing this to consumers, so this would be, especially people in Medicare and so forth, you got to be really careful because you do not want to be spamming people. So don't go out and buy lists and do all that kind of crazy stuff and just spam them. Make sure that they're opt-in and follow all the guidelines because I don't want you to get in trouble or go to worse, go to spam jail, which means you're going to pay thousands of dollars in fines. All right, so just keep that in mind. But using a combination of the LinkedIn platform and the email addresses that are located in there, you can build a very powerful LinkedIn and cold email technique. Check it out. I'm always getting asked what is the best way to generate free leads. And one of the things that works so well is using a combination of LinkedIn and cold email techniques. One quick tip I want to give you is that when you connect with somebody on LinkedIn, you'll automatically get their email address if they accept. You got to use that carefully. You don't want to come across as a spammer and then just start spamming everybody. But what you want to do is be strategic about who you're going to reach out to. So think of the ideal candidate that you want to reach out to. Set a cadence of every day connecting with at least 20 to 50 of those people, because you'll get usually about a 15% response rate. And so if you're doing 50, you'll get about, doing the quick math here, you get about 10 people a day that say yes to you. And that's 10 people a day that you can add to a drip marketing sequence that allows you to proactively reach out. Hope that helps you. By the way, what have you used that helps you generate free leads for insurance and financial services? Leave a comment below. I'd love to hear it. Well, there you have it. And just an added little bonus tip I want to give you is that LinkedIn no longer allows you to mass export all of your contacts. So think about that. There was a time when you would be able to mass export all your contacts with email addresses. You can still export your contacts, but unfortunately, you can't get their email addresses in bulk. But we do have a done-for-you service for Advisorist members that if you're interested, you can inquire below in the description section about our done-for-you services. And we have a very affordable solution that will go in, grab all of your contacts with email addresses, and deliver them to you on a silver platter so you can implement this strategy. But if you don't want to do that, you can certainly do it one at a time. And if you're targeted enough on LinkedIn, your leads will be fantastic, especially if you have some great scripts. Okay, now by the way, if you're looking for more ways to fill the top of your funnel for your insurance or financial services practice, go ahead and click on the link below for the masterclass where I go into a proven 3-step plan that has helped thousands of advisors, whether they're selling insurance programs, financial planning, RIA, wealth managers, whatever, get more qualified prospects using a proven 3-step strategy. The link to the masterclass is below. You can go ahead and check it out right after this and it'll take you right there. By the way, did you appreciate this video? I hope you did because I loved putting it together for you. If you have a question, please leave a comment below. I would love to help you out. Also, if you like this training and you don't want to miss out on any other tips, updates, or techniques as we discover them, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on a thing. Don't forget to share. Everyone appreciates it. And until the next training, thanks so much for watching it. On behalf of myself and the entire Advisorist team, we'll see you next time.